Direct replacement. This door check strap is designed to match the fit and function of the original strap on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This check strap is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original strap fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This door check strap is designed to match the fit and function of the original strap on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Great alternative to OEM. In the past have had a constant problem with the OEM door stops wearing out quickly, 2 to 3 months. At nearly $100 a door to replace them, I started looking online for other options. This Dorman product fits the bill perfectly. A lot less dollar and they are working and lasting much better than Packard Peterbilt OEM stops. I highly recommend them. Saved me a ton of dollar. In the past 7 years I've installed 15 sets of OEM stops at $100 a pop. Wish I would have found these sooner.